Namaskar and good evening. Wipro, one of the stalwarts of software sector, has released its results today. Let us go through the results. Azim H. Premji is the founder chairman. His son Rishad Premji is the chairman. Father is the founder chairman. Rishad Premji is the chairman. Thierry Delaporte is the managing director and CEO. Let's take a look at the quarterly results. See, most of the software companies move at a slow pace. They do move upwards, but at a very slow pace. That includes even TCS, Infy. They are slightly better than Wipro, but Wipro also is good. Now they have grown to large size. Therefore, they grow slowly. Now, net sales in Q2 quarter is 15,115 crores compared to previous quarter 14,913 crores. And year ago quarter 15,125 crores, slightly more than the latest. Last year Q2 is more than this year Q2. Year on year growth is almost nothing. It is flat. Quarter on quarter growth is 1.35%. So, employee cost has increased by 2.34% year on year and 3.62% quarter on quarter to 8,317 crores. So that's the major expenditure here. Now, the total expenses are 12,317 crores. Previous quarter 12,349 crores. That is slightly more. And a year ago quarter 12,516 crores, that's also slightly more. So total expenses, you can say almost flat. Now net profit is 2,484 crores compared to previous quarter 2,411 crores and year ago quarter 2,561 crores. So year on year there is a degrowth of 3%. And quarter on quarter there is a growth of 3%. EPS 4.33 on a face value of rupees 2. Previous quarter 4.2. Year ago quarter 4.3. So EPS also is flat year on year and 3.1% more quarter on quarter. Slightly more. Present market price is 357. Based on the present basic EPS 4.33 and the market price of 357, the annualized price earning ratio is 21.8. Not very great, but okay, it is high. 52-week low is 159.6 rupees price. 52-week high is 381.7. The market price 357 is very near to the 52-week high. Now, if you look at the historical prices, 3 years before the price was 378, 220. 2 years before the price was 234. 1 year before also it was 237. So, current market price somewhere around 370, something like that. So there has been growth of around 71% in the last 3 years. But last 3 years, last 2 years, last 1 year, same. Most of the growth has come during the last 1 year in the prices. Now let us take a look at the last 5 years sales and profits. Last 5 years, 5 years ago, the sales were 51,244 crores. 51,244 crores. From there, it grew to 55,000 crores, 54,000 crores, 59,000 crores. Now, The latest year, March 2020, 61,137. So there has been growth in sales from 51,000 crores to 61,000 crores. Likewise, net profit has grown slightly from 8,900 crores to 9,768 crores in 5 years. So, the growth is not very great, but there has been growth in sales, there has been growth in net profits. Market cap is somewhere around 2,14,739 crores, and last year price earning is 24.25, book value is 81. Dividend percentage was last year 50%. Industry price earning is 29, whereas Wipro commands 24. Dividend yield is 0.27. Face value is 2. So Wipro is good but not great. Wipro has hired 12,000 people in Q2, which is a robust hiring, and in Q3 also they want to hire quite well. Of the 12,000 hired, 3,000 were freshers. Others were probably taken from other companies, etc. The total employee count as on at the end of September, Q2 end, 1,85,243 persons. The gross utilization is around 76.4%. Attrition has come down to 11%. In Q1 it was 13%, now it is 11%. Now, Thierry Delaporte, Managing Director, says the company is well positioned now to win large deals. Going forward, revenue guidance therefore is given as 1.5% to 3.5% in Q3 quarter. Q1 quarter they had not given any guidance because of the pandemic. Q2 slight increase, but they are expecting better increase in Q3. Now, the Wipro has approved a buyback proposal for purchasing up to 23.75 crore equity shares of rupees 2 each at around 400 rupees price. The total amount that they are earmarking is around 9,500 crores. So there is a buyback proposal that will benefit the shareholders in future dividends. They have acquired a company by name Eximus Design. They have actually reached a definitive agreement to acquire this company. It's a leading engineering services company with strong expertise in some areas like semiconductor, software, system design, etc. So that is going to help Wipro in many ways. That's what Harmeet Chauhan, Senior Vice President of Wipro, says. So the management commentary is very good. Managing Director says we had an excellent quarter with growth in revenues, expansion of margins, robust cash generation, etc. So opportunities ahead are very good. The strategy is to focus on priority sectors, etc. Chief Financial Officer is Jatin Dalal. He also says that we had a very strong performance on margins and cash flows also. So overall, Wipro has done reasonably well, taking into account that it has come out from the COVID blues. Q3, they are expecting it to be much better. Do you want to invest it? For a steady growth, you can invest. We have seen 5 years, sales have grown, profits have grown, but steady, not very great. Now I leave the choice to you, but many more wonderful companies are likely to come forward in Q2. Let us wait for them. Thank you.